Hey humans, how are you? If you're new to my channel, my name's Anson. Welcome to Gourmet Cooking. Simple, but with a spin. Today, I felt like carbs. Carbs, carbs, carbs. I mean, it's not that I don't eat carbs every day. I do eat carbs every day. But today it's so cold and I thought it'd be so good to have something super easy, simple, it's the same word, but very, very easy, carby pasta, something with cheese. So today we're gonna make tomato and a 2-cheese penne pasta. It's gonna be so simple. It takes less than 15 minutes, probably like 10 minutes really. Once you get the sauce going and your pasta ready, you have an amazing pasta recipe.
Anston had a pasta glitch.
Guys, let's begin. Over here, I have 400 grams of dried penne. Then I have 2 cheeses over here, which is 100 grams of mozzarella and 60 grams of sharp parmesan. Then I have a can of whole tomatoes which are chopped up, which is 400 grams. Then I added 50 grams of water. I have 25 grams of unsalted butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, just add another tablespoon of butter. Over here, I have half a brown onion, which I've diced up, 2 shallots and 2 garlic cloves diced up as well. Then over here is our spice blend mix, which is a teaspoon of thyme. I have half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I have 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and then a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So the first step to do is get your pasta going. So as you're getting your pasta going in a deep pot or a wok or a pan on medium heat, put in your butter and your olive oil. As that's melting through, put in your shallots, onion and garlic. And saute that for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 3 minutes, you'll start to see a bit of light golden brown through your onions and garlic. So that's when you know it's ready to go. So to that, add your spice mix. Give that a nice mix again for about 20 seconds. And then to this, we'll add our tomato and water mixture. Mix that around really well. Now once that's done, just cover this and let it sit for about 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, you get this really nice, rich, thick sauce. Make sure you stir it in between maybe 1 or 2 times, but don't disturb it too much. But once the 10 minutes is over, you get this perfectly rich sauce. Okay, so once your sauce is ready, your pasta's cooked, drained, al dente, and all of that's happened, get the gas going on a low heat. And then to this, add in your pasta. Give it a good mix. And then to this, add in all that cheese. And give it a good mix till it's about just melted through. So once the cheese is close to being melted, your pasta is ready to be eaten. Put it onto a plate and go for it. How easy was that? It was ready in a jiffy and I already ate. why I started recording this bit, because I was so hungry. But guys, that would please a kid, an adult, any picky eater. It has a really good amount of spice, it has a really good amount of tomato, and a really good amount of stretchy cheese. So make that recipe, tell me how it goes. Do not forget to comment, like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.